Welcome to the in front of me Honor 9 unique slide, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the security and privacy section. Here you'll see the more settings section. Go there and tap to the encryption and credentials. Now just here tap to the set SIM1 lock, and just to lock your SIM card with the SIM pin, tap here once on the switcher and here enter your password. For example, in my case this will be from 1 to 4, and here tap to OK, and as can you see, your SIM card is locked right now. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.